ip-20c direct mount 2-feet antenna single pole with coupler. The 2-feet antenna shown in the video is an Andrew antenna, which has a tilt mechanism that must be assembled to the antenna. Make sure to use grease in the marked places indicated on the video. Using grease will prevent seizing between bolts and nuts. You should also use grease on the bracket that connects directly to the antenna to make the up and down alignment smoother. Use the short bolt as the pivot bolt in the middle of the bracket. Before connecting the coupler, make sure the O-ring is in its proper place on the antenna side. On the coupler, make sure that the twister points the correct polarization. The bolt is vertical. If you need to change to horizontal, use a Phillips screwdriver to open 2 screws and change the twister. You will also need to change the antenna adapter from vertical to horizontal by opening 2 bolts with an Allen key number 5. Use a 13mm wrench to tighten the coupler bolts to 20 Newton meters. Before connecting the radio to the coupler, make sure that the O-ring is in its proper place. Use a 6mm Allen key to tighten the bolts and torque to 20 Newton meters. Cross-tighten the bolts. Use a 17mm wrench key to tighten the nuts connecting the alignment mechanisms to the pole. Torque to 38 Newton meters and make sure the antenna is in the required azimuth before tightening.